Here you can see a comparison of the original picture and the modified picture. Welcome to this video tutorial on how to blur a face in Picsart. Let's not waste time. I already have on screen the picture I want to apply the blur effect. The first thing to do is to click on Effects right here, and now you need to click on Blur down here. Now that you are in the blur menu, you need to scroll all the way to the right and check for motion blur. Click on it, but as you can see, the blur effect applied to the whole picture, and we don't want that. So in order to fix this, we need to click on the eraser button at the top, and now we need to click on invert right here. Once you did that, you need to click on restore, and you can set some adjustment if you want. Once you're happy with them, you can start applying the blur effect just to the face. And here you can see the blur effect only applied to the woman's face. So we click OK, and that's it. Let's do it one more time with a different picture. So let's fetch a different picture. This one will do. We open it, and now we go through the same steps as we did before. We click on Effects. Now we made sure we're on blur, and now search for motion blur. Once you're here, you can click on motion blur again and play with some settings like distance. You can also play with the angle and play with fade. Once you're happy with the settings, you click again on the erase button, click on invert. Now you click on restore and start applying your modified blur to the face. And that's it. Here you can see a comparison of the original picture and the modified picture. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider giving us a like and subscribing to our channel.